Alright, I ran out of time again and I didn't notice. So I did some more things that I'm gonna tell you what I did. So I went through sort, which would be right here, would be sorting. And then I did reverse, reverse. This is my list, sorted, reverse. And then I did the length, which is 4. And then for the last, which is 311, this is gonna give me an error. Here, index error, because I don't have 5. So it would be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So of course it's going to give me an error. So to fix it, go to 3 and give me Tesla. Okay, that's it for this week. I'm sorry, it was long. I have 5 videos, they're really long, and it just takes me a lot of time to go through all this stuff. So I hope it's okay. Alright, thank you.